Hi, I'm Tricia from Club Scrap. Come and join me for a super fun book workshop. We're calling this one the Interactive Waterfall Book. You're absolutely going to love making this along with me. Let's take a tour of what comes in the kit and what the book looks like. So your kit includes the printed instructions, and I think honestly, based on the number of hours invested in putting a document like this together, that's the real value. Then you also receive the entire Tenetian tiles kit that includes all of the papers, the photo mats, the ribbons, and the embellishments. You'll get 2 sheets of the substrate we're using for the book. That's the heavyweight folding board. So that's going to give it a nice sturdy cover. And then you'll receive the 2 hook and loop dots that we're using for one of the enclosures in the book. So this is the finished interactive waterfall book. And it is very similar to a previous project that we've done in the past, but it's been upgraded a little bit. The more we make, the more we learn, right? So you have your cute little straps that hold in a folio. So that's a nice little pocket on the left edge. The folio opens up top, bottom, left, and right to reveal tons of space for you to add photos. And all of this was embellished with the items that came in the kit. I literally didn't add anything else. Then it has a regular single folded page. They're kind of offset on the edge here. And then you've got this really cool vertical pocket. I did use a little die cut to create a tab here for the insert of that page that goes inside the vertical pocket. But again, those are all optional things. And I suspect that you have things in your stash that you can incorporate into the book as well. Next up, we've got another single page where I used the die cuts from the collection to decorate the corners. And then we have these fun little horizontal pockets. I've left spots for pictures as well. And then more of that little tab die cut used to create a pull tab. And I even used leftover folding board to make this nice and sturdy. There was enough left over so I could do it on each side. So check that out. Isn't that fun? And then finally, this is the upgrade. Instead of having pockets back here, we've now incorporated a cleverly prepared set of waterfall pages. So this is where you're going to have a lot of real estate for your pictures to be added to every single front and back flap of the waterfall. Now what's cool about this project is once you've mastered it, grab any Club Scrap kit, whether it's a special release or a monthly collection, and you can create another book. All you need are those folding boards and more hook and loop dots, which are available separately. And then you can, once again, make another folio. So this one I created with our Tie the Knot collection. I absolutely love how this turned out as well. Isn't that beautiful? And of course it has all the same features, the single pages. This one had tabs actually in the Cutaparts. We've got our vertical pocket, another single page, the smaller pockets, and again in the back, the main feature. Well, always the waterfall is the main feature, isn't it? So this one was done with Tie the Knot. Again, the possibilities here are just absolutely endless. So come and join me for this wonderful project. I look forward to seeing you in class.